Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're just gonna go ahead and get right into the video. As you can tell, I already have my brows done, my foundation, and my concealer. Now, this is because I was filming and I didn't realize the angle that I was filming at looked really bad. Like literally my head was cut off like here, and then you could just see like a lot of space up here. So I didn't like it. So that's why I'm filming this now with all of this done. But I will link all the products down below, that way you guys know what I used. And if you guys haven't seen like my basic foundation routine, I do have a video on that, so I will link it, that way you guys know how I apply everything as well. So basically, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and start on my eyes. Today we're gonna be doing a very simple, soft glam makeup look. I don't know if you guys have seen this going around. I've seen it a lot on my Twitter, so I decided to do my own simple glam type of look. So I'm using the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette, and this is one of the palettes from the Vault. This is the Dark Magic palette. So I'm gonna take one of my one of my Wet n Wild brushes, and I'm gonna dip into the shade Shh. That's what it's called. It's called Shh. It's this one right here. This like very soft brown color. So I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna place it on the outer corner of my eye, and I'm gonna kind of wing it out a little bit. I'm gonna get a little closer so you guys can see. So I'm gonna stamp, and I'm gonna drag it up to my crease. And then I'm gonna start blending, and I'm gonna drag it out this way. This eye look is so simple. I'm only gonna be using 2 shades, and they're both from this palette. So it's an eye look that anybody can do. It'll take me maybe like 10 minutes to do. Right now it's taking me a little bit longer because I am talking and explaining everything that I'm doing. But normally it'll only take me about 10 minutes. Okay, so now going in with another Wet n Wild brush. This is a fluffier brush. I'm gonna take that same shade and just really blow everything out. And because this color is so light, don't be scared to really like dig in there and get a lot of pigment. That's what we want. We're gonna end up building up the color right now in a little bit. So I'm just stamping, and then I'm gonna blend it out. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade Poof, which is this one right here. And also on another Wet n Wild brush. This is more of a flatter type of brush. I'm not even gonna go ahead and cut the crease. I'm gonna cut the crease with this shade alone. You guys see how pretty that is? Okay, so now that's done. I'm gonna go ahead and take that soft brown shade again and kind of just blend out where those two colors meet, and just make it look really soft and pretty. Okay, Now taking a, it's also a flat brush, but this one's a little bit more dense. This one is from Morphe, and this is the small blending brush number 123. And then taking the shade again, and I'm running that under my waterline. And I'm just going to connect it with this outer portion over here. And kind of just smoke it out. Okay, so I decided to do both my eyeliner and lashes off camera. I am wearing the MB lashes in style Dreamy, I believe. Yeah, style Dreamy. And MB lashes is a subscription box. You get 2 pairs of lashes for $15 a month. And honestly, I think that is such a good deal because these are really high quality lashes. So it's totally worth it. If you guys are interested in signing up, I will go ahead and leave the link down below. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and do my contour. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer, and this is the one that I used under my eyes as well. But I like to use this darker shade to contour. So I'm just gonna do a little line like that. And honestly, a little bit of product goes a long way. So now I'm taking my Morphe, I think this is the M335 brush. It looks like this. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. And then I'm gonna take my beauty blender and then just go over the edges. That way there's no harsh lines or anything like that. Okay, and then to set that cream contour, I'm gonna go in with the Rimmel Natural Bronzer, and this is a waterproof bronzing powder. This is in the shade 021 Sunlight. And going in, this is a Sephora brush, I think. I just don't know what kind it is exactly. But it's like your basic bronzer contour brush. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that. And then you want to add a little bit to the jawline. And now it's time for everybody's favorite part, the highlight. So I'm going in with the e.l.f. Master Chrome, I think. No. Metallic Flare Highlighter, sorry. Master Chrome is Maybelline. This is the e.l.f. Metallic Flare Highlighter. It looks like this. This is one of my all-time favorite highlighters. And I'm going in with the Morphe fan brush. This is the number 115. And I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight my face. And then also on top of my brow bone. Highlight just the tip of my nose. Cupid's bow. And my chin. And then to add a little extra highlight, I'm going in with the NARS Albatross highlight. This one is like this. This is a gold highlight, so I'm not taking too much of it. And I'm gonna apply this right here to like the apples of my cheek. I'm also going to take a little bit of the highlight and highlight my inner corners real quick. Okay, and now it's time for the lips. I'm gonna take my NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner, and this is in the shade Sandstorm, and I'm going to line my lips and also fill them in with this color. So I'll be right back. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you all enjoyed so much. This is what the eye look looks like. It is very simple, very easy. I used to do these kind of eye looks all the time when I was first learning how to do eyeshadow. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you all recreate this look as well. If you do, please tag me on my Instagram. I would love to see you guys recreate it. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.